morning, viewer. How are you today? I hope you all stay healthy and come back with me, Arya Merta, on Good News. News today. BMKG predict that extreme weather, such as rainstorm, strong wind, and high wave. This bad weather will occur in several regions in Indonesia until the end of March. Bad weather will occur in central, north to east Indonesia. The intensity of rainfall is predicted to be around 200 until 300 mm per month. Due to this bad weather, BMKG also appeal on fishermen to be more vigilant and reduce their activity at sea, because there will be high wave and strong wind. Besides that, the high intensity of rain will cause flooding in some areas in Indonesia because of this bad weather. Besides this bad weather also result in strong wind in several areas in Indonesia. Rainstorm and lightning will fall suddenly. BMKG predict this bad weather until the end of March, and BMKG urges the public to always be careful when doing outdoor activities. Alright, the next news is information about accident of Sriwijaya plane with a lost contact. And for more information, we already connected to our reporter. Hello Ngurah, what information do you get?
Thank you, Arya. Well, we again confirm that there had been lost contact with the Sriwijaya airplane with flight number SG182 on the Jakarta-Pontianak route, and it is estimated that it crashed around Lucky Island and Lancang Island and also the Seribu Island. The Minister of Transportation Budi Karya Sumadi also explained the chronology of the plane crash on Saturday, January 9 yesterday. The plane that took off from Soekarno-Hatta Airport had lost contact around the waters of the Thousand Islands, North Jakarta. From the path shown, the aircraft flew to the west, then to the north. It was observed that the last aircraft was over the Java Sea, precisely on the north side of the island of Java. At 14:36 West Indonesian time, the plane took off from Soekarno-Hatta Airport to Pontianak. At the time, the weather was raining. The plane that left Soekarno-Hatta Airport to Pontianak was delayed for 30 minutes. The delay occurred due to heavy rain. Sriwijaya confirmed that the delay was not due to the plane's condition. When the aircraft is still in a position at an altitude of 1,700 feet, and is allowed to rise to an altitude of 2,900 feet by following standard departure instruments. At 14:40 Western Indonesian time, monitoring in Jakarta showed that Sriwijaya Air was not in the direct it should have been, but the plane was seen heading to the southwest. Shortly thereafter, within seconds, Sriwijaya Air disappeared from radar. Then, at 14:55 Western Indonesian time, Basarnas received a report about the plane that had lost contact, which was about 15 miles from Soekarno-Hatta Airport. In that incident, the rescue team was still searching for the crash of the Sriwijaya Air flight with flight number SG182. The following is the news that I can convey. Thank you.
Alright, that's all the news today, and thank you all the viewers for watching this news, and I'm Arya Merta. Come back tomorrow again on Good News. Thank you.